Hi children, welcome back to the class. In the last classes, we learned about addition and subtraction. Today's class, we will learn about a new topic. Before we start, let's see a small example. Children, I have 4 glasses and few pebbles with me. I'll put 3 pebbles in each glass. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And third glass 1, 2, 3. And fourth glass 1, 2, 3. Children, how many pebbles are there in each glass? Yes, 3. What is the total number of pebbles? First glass 1, 2, 3. Second glass 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And third glass 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 3, 9. And fourth glass 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 3, 12. We got the answer by adding 4 times the number of pebbles in each glass. This is called a repeated addition. Children, this can also be written as number of glasses multiplied by number of pebbles in each glass. We already learned multiplication table of 4. What is 4 into 3? Yes, 12. We can say 4 times 3 or 4 multiplied by 3 or 4 into 3. What is multiplication? Yes, repeated addition. Children, now you can guess what is our new chapter name. Yes, multiplication. Children, here is the mind map of chapter 4. Our chapter name is multiplication. First, meaning and components. Multiplication as repeated addition. And forms of multiplication. Multiplication with numbers 10, 20 and 30, and multiplication without regrouping, and properties of multiplication and real life application. Children, our first topic is multiplication. What is multiplication? Yes, repeated addition. We'll take an example. Children, I'll explain with the help of blocks multiplication. We'll take an example 34 and 2. Here 34 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. We keep 4 blocks in the ones place and 3 blocks at the tens place. And we keep 2 blocks in the ones place to represent 2. Step 1, we have to multiply 2 and 4. We already learned multiplication is repeated addition. So 4 into 2 is 8. So we same as 4 plus 4. Here 4 plus 4, 8. So how many blocks I have to keep? Yes, 8 blocks. Now we have to multiply 3 and 2. Children, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. We have now 3 blocks and 3 blocks. So the answer 68 is called as product. Children, what is multiplication? Yes, the repeated addition of the same number. What is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. What is multiplier? The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied. What is product? The result of multiplication. We have 34 and 2. Here, which one is multiplicand? Yes, first number is multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 3, 6 is the product. Children, our next topic is multiplication of number n with a 0. We'll take an example, 30 into 2. Have you studied 30 table? No. So, how will you calculate? We have to multiply the number by the multiplier. So, we have to take 3 and 2. 3 into 2, 6. Then we have to put 0. The final product is 60. We'll take another example. 300 into 2. Same, we have 3 and 2. What is 3 and 2? Yes. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. How many zeros? Yes, 2 zeros. The final product is 600. Children, our next topic is multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. Let's take an example. Multiply 143 by 2. We can write in a place value chart. Here, ones place 3, tens place 4 and hundreds place 1. 143 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. For getting the answer, we need to multiply each digit of multiplicand with the multiplier. That means we have to multiply first 3 ones into 2 and 4 tens into 2 and 100 into 2. So first we have to multiply ones place. 3 ones into 2 ones. Yes, 6. Next which place? Yes, tens place. Here we have 4 tens and 4 tens into 2. Yes, 8 tens. And next which place? Yes, hundreds. We have 100. So 100 into 2. Yes, 1 into 2, 2. The answer is 286. Children, our next topic is multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit numbers with regrouping. We already learned 10 ones is equal to 110 and 10 tens is equal to 100. We'll illustrate with an example. Multiply 238 by 3. I'll write in the place value chart. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. Here we have 8 and 3. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 24 we can regroup into 2 tens and 4 ones. So we can write 4 under the ones place and 2 will carry over to the tens place. Now we have 2 in the tens place. Here 3 tens. 3 tens multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. We have 2 here. So 9 plus 2, 11. 11 tens regroup as 100 plus 110. So we can write 1 at the tens place and 1 will carry over to the hundreds place. So we have hundreds place 1 here. Now we have to next which place we have to multiply? Yes, hundreds. So we have 2 hundreds into 3. What is 2 into 3? Yes, 6. So 600 plus here we have 1 carryover. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 700. So the answer is 740. Children, our next topic is multiplication of 4-digit numbers by 1-digit number without regrouping. Children, we use the same rule as a 3-digit number. We have one more place value here. Yes, thousands place. We'll illustrate with an example. The first question, 3213 multiplied by 3. We can write in a place value chart. 3030. It's a multiplicand. Our multiplier is 3. So first we have to multiply ones place. So 3 ones into 3, 9. Next which place? Yes, tens. 1 tens into 3, 3. Next which place? Yes, hundreds place. We have 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds into 3, yes, 600. So 6. Next which place? Yes, thousands place. We have 3 and 3. 3 into 3, 9. So the answer is 9639. Children, our next topic is multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number with regrouping. First question, multiply 2456 by 4. We can write in a place value chart. The multiplicand is 2456. The multiplier is 4. So first we have to multiply which place? Yes, ones place. Ones place we have 6 ones and 4. What is 6 into 4? Yes, 24. 24 we can regroup into 2 tens and 4 ones. 4 we can write in the ones place and 2 will carry over to the tens place. Now we have 2 at the tens place. Next which place we have to multiply? Yes, 5 and 4. So 5 into 4, 20. And we have 1 2 carry over. So 20 plus 2, 22. So 22 tens we can regroup into 2 hundreds plus 2 ones. So we can write 2 at the tens place and 2 will carry over to the hundreds place. Now we have 2 at the hundreds place. Next which place we have to multiply? Yes, hundreds place. We have 4 hundreds multiply by 4. 4 into 4, yes, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. We have 18 hundreds. We can regroup into 1000 plus 800. We can write 8 under the hundreds place and 1 will carry over to the thousands place. Now we have 1 at the thousands place. Next which place we have to multiply? Yes, thousands place. Thousands place we have 2000 and 4. Multiply 2000 into 4 is 2 into 4, yes, 8. And plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9000. We got the answer 9824. Children, our next topic is multiplication by 2-digit numbers. So far we have learned multiplication with a 1-digit number. Now we will learn with a 2-digit number. These are the steps. Step 1, multiply. First, the example, we can take the example, multiply 21 by 32. First step, multiply 21 by 2 ones. Second step, multiply 21 by 3 tens. And third step, add both products. We can write the numbers in a place value chart. So 21 multiplied by 32. First we have to 21 into 2 ones. Yes. First 1 into 2, 2. Next 2 into 2, yes, 4. What is our step 2? We have to multiply 21 into 3 tens. Remember, when 3 tens, when we multiply, we have to start from the tens place. And ones place, we can put 0. So, first, which number tens place? We have 3. 3 into 1, 3. And 3 into 2, 6. We have to keep 0 at the ones place. So, we have to first and last. What is the last step? Yes. We have to add. What? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 0. 2, and 4 plus 3, 7, 6. So answer is 672. Children, our next topic is multiplication by 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Well, take an example. Multiply 86 by 24. Step 1, multiply 86 by 4 ones, and step 2, multiply 86 by 2 tens, and step 3, add the two products. We can write the number in a place value chart. First, we have to multiply which place? Yes, ones place. What is our first step? Yes, 86 into 4 ones. So 6 ones into 4. What is 6 into 4? Yes, 24. 24 we can regroup as 2 tens and 4 ones. So we can write 2 at the tens place and 4 will write in the ones place. Now we have 8 and 4. 8 into 4. What is 8 into 4? Yes, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Next, what is step 2? We have to multiply 86 into 2 tens. Remember, we have to keep ones place 0. And we have to start from the tens place. So 2 into 6. What is 2 into 6? Yes, 12. 12. We can write 2 at the tens place and 1 will carry over to the hundreds place. Now 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 7 we can write at the hundreds place. 1 will carry over to the thousands place. Now we have 1. What is our step 3? Add the product. So 4 plus 0, 4, and 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 7, 0, and 1 is carry over, so 1 plus 1, 2. So now we got answer 2064. Children, our next topic is properties of multiplication. Our first property is multiplication by 0. When we multiply a number by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 45 into 0 is equal to 0. Next property is multiplication by 1. When we multiply a number by 1, the product is the number itself. For example, 25 into 1 is equal to 25. Order property of multiplication. What is order property? The multiplication of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, 25 into 3 is equal to 75. We rearrange 3 into 25 is equal to 75. Both answers are same. This is called commutative property. Our next property is grouping property. While multiply 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way. The product remains the same. This is called associative property. For example, 9 into 5 into 2 is equal to 45 into 2 is equal to 90. We can rearrange 9 into 5 into 2 is equal to 90. And again we can rearrange. First we can write 9 into 2 into 5 is equal to 90. All answers are same. So this is called associative property. Children, our next topic is distributive property of multiplication. We will learn distributive property with the help of example. A shopkeeper sold 3 chocolates for 2 rupees each, and next day he sold 4 chocolates for 2 rupees each. Find the total price of all the chocolates sold. In this question, we can find out the answers in two methods. The first method, what is the price of one chocolate? Yes, 2 rupees. Price of one chocolate is equal to 2 rupees. How to find out the price of 3 chocolates? Price of 3 chocolates is equal to 1 chocolate price is 2 rupees. Oh, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 rupees. Next we have to find out 4 chocolate price. So price of 4 chocolates is equal to 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. We have to find out the total price of the chocolates. So total price is equal to 3 chocolate price, 2 into 3 plus 4 chocolates price, 2 into 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 6 plus 8, 14. We can find out the next method. So price of one chocolate is equal to 2 rupees. So children, what is the total number of chocolate he brought in day 1 and day 2? Yes, total number of chocolates is equal to 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So total price is equal to 1 chocolate rupees is 2 rupees. So 2 into 3 plus 4. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14 rupees. So method 1 and method 2 answers are same. Children, this method is called distributive property. We use distributive property when we have a common numbers in both sides. We have the first step we have 2 and second step also 2. We have to take 2 as a common and multiply with the sum of 2 numbers. Sum of 2 numbers 3 plus 4, 7. 2 into 7 is equal to 40. Children, our next topic is multiplication in real life. We'll illustrate this help of example. A book contains 238 pages. How many pages will there be in 6 such books? In one book, how many pages? Yes, 238. So we have to find out 6 books pages. So what we have to do is we have to multiply. The number of pages in one book is equal to how many pages? Yes, 238. So total number of pages in 6 books we have to find out. So, total number of pages in 6 books is equal to 238 into 6. So we have to multiply 238 into 6. First, which place we have to multiply? Yes, ones place. What is 6 into 8? Yes, 6 into 8, 48. 1 will carry over to the tens place, 4 will carry over to the tens place, and now we have 4 in the tens place. So we have to multiply 6 into 3. What is 6 into 3? Yes, 18. 18 plus 4, 2, 22. 2 we will write in the tens place, and 2 will carry over to the hundreds place. So now we have 2 at the hundreds place. Next, which place we have to calculate? Yes, hundreds place. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So, how many total number of pages? Yes, 1428 pages. Children, we'll take an example from the textbook, exercise 4.6, the first question. There are 75 apples in a basket, and how many apples will be there in 6 such baskets? So, first we have to find out number of apples in one basket. Number of apples in one basket is equal to, one basket how many apples? Yes, 75. We have to find out 16 such baskets apple. So, number of apples in baskets is equal to 75 into 16. So, we have to find out the total number of apples. So, 75 into 16. So, first we have to find 75 into 6 ones. And 5 into 6, 30. 0 we will write in the ones place, and 3 will carry over to the tens place. Now we have tens place 3. Next we have to find out 6 answer. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 3, 45. Next step we have to calculate 75 into 110. So first we have to calculate 1 into 5. And which place we have to write? Yes, tens place. And ones place we have to write 0. And 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 7, 7. Last we have to add 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So, 16 basket, how many apples are there? Yes, 1200 apples. Children, our next topic is lattice multiplication. What is lattice multiplication? Yes. Lattice multiplication is used to multiply numbers with the help of grid. The grid should have many columns as the multiplicand, as many rows as the multiplier. Let us find the product 235 into 6. Here 235 is the multiplicand and 6 is the multiplier. Children, how many columns we have? Yes, 3 columns. So, our multiplicand is 3-digit number. So, we have 3 columns. How many rows we have? Yes, 1 row. So, our multiplier is one digit number. Now we can draw diagonal across each column. We can write on the top the multiplication. 235, and we can write 6 at the side of the row. First we have to multiply 6 into 5. So 6 into 5, 30, 3, 0. Next we have to multiply 6 into 3. What is 6 into 3? Yes, 18. So we can write 1 here and 8. Next 6 into 2. So 6 into 2, 12, 1, 2. Now we can extend the diagonal. Now extend the diagonal and add the digits. Here 0 and 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will carry over to the tens place, and 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Here which number? Yes, 1. So our answer is 1410. Children, hope you understood lattice multiplication. Children, in today's class we have learned multiplication and meaning of multiplication and its components. What is the meaning of multiplication? Yes, repeated addition of the same number. What is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. What is multiplier? The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied. What is a product? The result of the multiplication is called the product. And next we learn multiplication of 3-digit and 4-digit number by 1-digit number. And next after that we learn multiplication by 2-digit numbers and properties of multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? Yes, multiplication by 0, multiplication by 1, order property, associative property and distributive property. And after that we learned multiplication in real life and lattice multiplication. Hope you understood all the topics. See you in the next class. Children, bye.